Children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes. What we started? Yes, it is our SA1 exams. Yes, we have to do first revision to write the exam. Yes. Okay. Fourth class social. Yes. Term 1 children. The portion term 1. Portion lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the 5 lessons are there for our essay 1. Yes, we will start with our 5th lesson. We will come from back. Yes, we will start with our 5th lesson. First take your workbooks children. Your term 1 workbook. Yes, and open your books and take your homework book also. Take your homework book also. Okay, and the multiple choice question children. First one, 5th lesson. Yes, okay. And which is the longest river in India? Which is the longest river in India? Which one children? Yes, it is Ganga. It is Ganga. The options are given there for Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Godavari. Which one is correct? Ganga is correct. Yes. The second one, in which state does the Indus meet 5 major tributaries? Yes, and it is answer is D. What it is? Punjab. It is Punjab. Yes, and the 4 options are given there. Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab. Which one is correct? Yes, it is Punjab. Okay, and the next one children, fill in the blanks. Third one, the dash in West Bengal is a major distributary of the Ganga. Which one? It is Hooghly. It is Hooghly. Okay. The Hooghly is the West Bengal is a major distributary of the Ganga. Yes. And the fourth one children, dash is the largest tributary of river Krishna. Which one? It is Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra is the largest tributary of the river Krishna. Okay. Very short answer question children. Okay. Where does the Brahmaputra meet the Ganga? In Bangladesh. In Bangladesh. Yes. And the sixth one children. What are the rivers that have water throughout the year called? Yes, it is perennial. Yes, and perennial rivers. Okay, and okay, children. Yes, it is perennial rivers. Okay, and it is perennial rivers. And the seventh one, children, short answer question. What are the non-perennial rivers? Give an example. The rivers which do not have a constant flow of water throughout the year are called non-perennial rivers. Example, what it is? Mahanadi. Mahanadi, yes. What it is children? It is the rivers which does not have constant flow of water. Constant means throughout the year the water should be there. It does not have, so that it is called a non-perennial river. Okay, and the next one children, it is match the following. Okay, and the eighth one is Bitua, means what it is? It is B. Yamuna. Yes. Indravati. It is D. Godavari. B's. It is C. Indus. And Jonk. It is A. Mahanadi. Yes. And short answer question children. Define river basin. How are river basin useful to us? A river basin is an area which gets water and silt from the main river and its tributaries. The river basin makes the plains very fertile for the cultivation. Yes, the river basin is the area which gets the water and the silt from the main river and its tributaries here, and the river basin makes the plains, that area will be very fertile and you can use for the cultivation. Yes, and the next one is 13th one children. Yes, outline a major differences between westward and eastward flowing rivers on the Indian peninsula? Yes, it is westward following rivers and eastward following rivers. Yes, the westward following peninsular rivers do not form deltas. Do not form deltas, and these rivers flow into the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. And eastward flow peninsular rivers form delta at their mouths, and these rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Yes. Yeah. These are the westward and this is the east. Here what happens? Here it flows into Bay of Bengal and here Arabian Sea. Yes. Okay. And this is what the Indian Ocean. Okay. And the next one, children. Next one, 14th one, children. Complete the diagram by providing information about various use of rivers. Yes, here it is given that name any two means of water transport. It is boats and ships. Means of water transport. You know, no children? Yes, it is boats and ships. Yes, and here any two uses of dams. The dams for what we are using? Yes, to produce electricity, produce water for domestic use. And name of two water animals. It is fish and crab. Okay, and two uses of rivers for agriculture. Agriculture makes lands fertile for growing crops. Yes, and it is provide water for irrigation. Yes, these are the various uses of rivers. Yes, okay children. Yes, it is 15th one, children. Multiple choice question. Yes, Lakhan is fishing in a river that flows into the Arabian Sea. Which river is it? The options are given there 4. Yes, which one is correct? It is Narmada. Yes, option A, Ganga, Godavari, Narmada, Yamuna. Which one is correct? It is Narmada is correct there. Yes, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam is an important river project. Which of this is not a function of this dam? Yes, it is the immersing idols. Yes, the 4 options are given there. Generating hydroelectricity, irrigation, storing water during the dry season, immersing idols. It is option, correct answer is option D. Yes, and the 17th one, children. In recent times, a lot of water is diverted from the rivers to the industries, leaving farmers helpless. Mention any 2 ways in which the farmers are affected. Yes, answer children. If river water is diverted to the industries, the farmers will not get water for irrigation. Yes, they will not get water for irrigation to grow crops. Yes, also the deposits of silt brought by the river would decrease, which would affect the fertility of the soil. What happens, children? Yes, it is what it is. The river water is diverted to the industries, means what happens to the farmers? The farmers will not get the water for the irrigation, yes, to grow crops. Yeah, and also the deposits of the silt brought by the river would decrease, which could not affect the fertility of the soil. Yes, and the 18th one, children. On the map of India, mark the and label the following. Yes, you have to mark the rivers. Yes, the Brahmaputra. Here, the Brahmaputra. Okay, and the Ravi is here. And Hooghly, it is here. And the Krishna, it is here. You have to mark with the blue sketch pen or with the blue pen and write the names from where to where it is. You have to draw like this and you have to write. Okay, map pointing it is. Okay children, And the 19th one, read the clues and solve the crossword about the rivers of India. Yes, it is. First one, a Himalayan river that flows through Ladakh. It is first one. Where it is there? First one, children. Yes, it is here. Indus. Yes, and a tributary of Ganga. A tributary of Ganga. Here, the second one. It is sun. First, we'll see downwards. Yes, and the river which originates in the Manasarovar region of India. It is third one here. Brahmaputra. Yes, and now we will see about the cross. A river which originates in the Western Ghats. It is fourth one. Yes, it is Krishna. And a tributary of a Mahanadi. It is fifth one. Where it is there, children? Fifth one. Okay, children. Yes, it is here, children. Hasidi. Yes, and the sixth one, a peninsular river that flows from east to west. Sixth one, yes, Narmada. And the seventh one, a tributary of Yamuna. It is Bichua. And a major South Indian river which flows from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu is Kaveri. Yes, you have to write this. Okay, and now the 20th one, use the internet to make a list of 2 important dams of India. Yes, their locations and the rivers they built on. Write these 3 sentences. Write 3 sentences about the dam that is closest to your town or village. You have to write on your own, children, this answer. I said you people to write the homework also, this one. Yes? Okay, children? And you have to write in the homework book. First, when you start you'll watch the video, no children, you have to take your workbook, the term 1 workbook and your homework book also. Yes, in the homework book you have to write short answer questions. First you write as SA-1 revision, SA-1 revision, and then start writing short answer questions in your homework, and rest all you have to copy the question and write like a ST. Write like a ST. Yes, children, you have to get full marks, children. All of you should study well. Okay.